Hello everyone, for today's video I'm doing unboxing my 3 chickens. I give them names already, Millie, Molly and Mandy, and they are 14 weeks old and they lay eggs in another 5 weeks or 6 weeks. I will update you soon everyone when they are laying eggs. Here we go, chooks. Enjoy your new house. And everyone, I will show you inside the chicken coop. I bought this in online. It's small but enough for 3 or 5 chicken in it. And here we go, where they are asleep in the porch. And also another side, the eggs box. Anyway, I will update you everyone when they are starting laying egg. They happy? Huh? Oh, they're happy. You happy your new house? And then they open this one so you can inside. So you have to open it. Open the door. So when you go into it. You keep eye on them, Bella. Huh? Oh, that's great, Bella. New friend, huh? They are new friend.